Yes, children. Good morning to all. Yes, this is Shaheen signing into the math session. Yes, children. We are going to start our session, math session, with some interesting tips and tricks. Let's begin. Yes, children, we are going to start max tips and tricks for the 5 tables. Hope you are practicing the tables daily. Yes? Yes, I hope so. 2, 3, 4, you are practicing very well and you have learned. Let's start for the 5 table. Let's do it. Yes, children. Here, 2 rows are there and you have to draw 5 columns. Here, 1 and this is 2 rows. Okay. And you have to draw 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. In that, you are going to write the numbers. Okay, children? Yes, and now the 5 table is there, so it's very simple. That's it. Only you have to write 0, 5, 0, 5. So start with 5. As it is 5 table, start with 5, then write down 0, then again continue 5, 0, and again continue 5, then continue in the second row 0, then again continue 5, 0, 5, 0. Okay, got it, children? After that, our important thing starts. Let's do it. Okay, let's do 505050. After writing this, you have to start from 0. Yes, the first number will be, yes, 0. Yes. After that, trouble number comes. That means increase the number 1. Then again continue 1. Then again trouble numbers come. That means you have to change the number 2. Then continue 2. Next line. Oh, trouble number. Increase the number 3. 3. Now again trouble number. Increase the number 4. 4. And this is last one 5. We got the 5 table. Let's do it. Repeat with me, children. 5 table. Yes. Let's write. Yes. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. Next. 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 20. 5 5 is 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 7 are 35. 5 8 are 40. 5 9 are 45. And the last one, 5 10 are 50. We done it. Yeah, so simple and easy to learn. Okay, let's do it one more time with one more image. Let's do it. Yes, children. Repeat with me 5 table one more time. Let's do it. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 20. 5 5 is 25. 5 6 is 30. 5 7 is 35. 5 8 is 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Wow. Now let's do it in one straight line vertical format. Yes, horizontal format. Let's start. 5 ones are. Let's do it this way also. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 fours are 40. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 49. 5 tens are 50. Yes, children. Hope you have enjoyed and you can learn very easily Phi table. Okay, now over to Rubni ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Children, today we are going to look a story. Okay, what we are going to look a story. But this time I'm not going to narrate the story. Instead of that, you people are going to guess the story, what is going to happen. Okay? Yes, are you all ready? Okay, see. I'm going to give 2 minutes. You are going to look the story. Okay? I'm going to show only the pictures. Only the pictures. So from that, you are going to guess what the story is. Okay? Next picture. Next picture. Next picture. Next picture. See, I shown 5 pictures. Okay? I'm going to show once again. The first picture. Okay? What is this? One boy happily doing his work. He's writing something. Okay? He was very happy. And the next picture. What is this? Some pencils and books are there. Okay? Next. What happened? One girl is crying. One girl is crying with this notebook. Third picture. One girl having pencil. Okay. Next. Girl was happily doing his work, writing work. Okay. Now the girl is happy. Now can you guess what the story is? Can you guess what the story is? Yes.
What is second girl is doing?
Second girl having pencil. See. Now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yeah. Okay. See, there was a boy. There was a boy happily doing his work. At that time, he's having too many pencils, more than nearly 3 pencils he's having. Okay. Then in the same class, there is a girl who is crying. Why? She don't have pencil. Doesn't have pencil to write. So she was crying. If you miss the pencil, what you will do? You people will mess up the class. Ma'am, I don't have pencil. Ma'am, I don't have pencil. Like that the girl was very
We will want to
happy about.
share.
Yes, yes, dear. We got the answer. Please mute yourself. It's others and all listen and then grasp what is going to happen. Okay? See, the girl is crying. The girl is crying because she doesn't bring his pencil to the class. Okay, next.
Ma'am,
That
what
girl.
is the second picture, ma'am?
Ma, pencils and books, ma. Kindly mute yourself. Now it's audible. Shaheen ma'am, it's audible.
Well, see, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So first picture, there was a boy who is happily doing his work, writing work, and he is having few pencils and books. Okay. The third picture is one girl is crying. The girl is crying because she forgot his pencil. She doesn't bring his pencil to the class. Then he got the pencil. Fourth picture, she got the pencil. Fifth picture, she happily doing his work, writing work. Yes, if you got the pencils, you will also feel happy, no? You feel relaxed. Habba, I can do my writing work now. Yes, like that. What happened here? The boy sharing. What the boy does? Sharing his pencil. Sharing his pencil. One boy told the answer, no. The boy sharing the pencil with whom? That girl. Okay. That girl. Now.
They told me only.
Yes, dear. Thank you. I couldn't see your name, my dear. So thank you. Okay. You can type the answers in chat box with your parents' help. Okay. Yes. Now, I like to ask you people to type in the chat box how many pencils did the boy have after sharing his pencil? There was a 3 pencils. If he shared a pencil, how many pencils, how many more pencils did he will have? Can you type the chat box? Make it fast. Make it fast. Shaheen ma'am, did everybody typing their answers?
Yes, writing answer, correct.
What they type, ma'am? 2. Okay, very good, very good. Those who typed it 2, very good, my dears. Now, what you have done? I want everybody to type in the chat box. What you have done? What you have done? I will stop. What you have done to do your, to get your answer. Somebody typing, yes, subtraction. Yes, sub. The term is called subtraction. Okay, the term is called subtraction. You all did subtraction. 3 minus 1 is equal to what? 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, you all did subtraction. Now, what's make you to do subtraction? I have not told you to do the subtraction. Did I told? No.
2.
Did I told you to do the subtraction? What make you to do the subtraction? What's make you to do? What the term makes you to do subtraction? I have not mentioned remaining. Remaining is correct, but I have not mentioned remaining. But the meaning of the remaining I said. Yes, how many more? How many more I ask? Sharing, yes. Sharing I said. Yes. How many more I said? How many left I said? How many? Sharing I said.
Is not
So,
audible, ma'am.
what? Okay. So, I have not told to do the subtraction, yes, but we are getting into the next chapter, that is subtraction. Chapter number 3, subtraction. Yes, what are the key terms I told? Left. Somebody said remain. But I said sharing how many more. So we are going to look into what are the terms make you to do the subtraction. What are the terms subtraction? Fewer, left, remain, how many more, decrease, difference, gave away, less than. So if I use any of these terms, it will mean that, yes, correct. So we are going to look next chapter, that is subtraction. Now you all should repeat me, but mute yourself. Don't unmute. Okay? Yes. Fewer. Fewer. Left. See, the boy left over 2 pencils. Yes? Left. Remain. How many pencils remain with that boy? Yes? Next. How many more? How many more that boy have? Same meaning, remain. Then decrease, decrease, difference. What is the difference between 3 and 1 is subtraction. Gave away, that boy gave away 1 pencil, shared the pencil, yes, gave away. Then less than, less than. Subtraction, key terms of subtraction is fewer, left, remain, how many more, decrease, difference, gave away and less than. Okay. So Shaheen ma'am going to continue the next upcoming about the subtraction. Shaheen
Yes,
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Yes. Now let's begin our chapter, lesson number 3. That is subtraction. Okay, yes, children. I hope you have enjoyed the story. So let's begin the chapter 3, subtraction. Okay, yes. Today we are going to do subtraction without regrouping. So let's start. Now, what is subtraction? What is subtraction, children? You have already
Add.
seen the keywords. No, add, subtraction. The word subtraction means taking away. Subtraction every time we take
Minus.
away.
Minus, ma'am. Take away.
Some disturbances there are. You can write in the chat box from your side. Gija ma'am, is it possible for you to mute? Some disturbance is coming.
Yes, ma'am, I will see.
Yes. Thank you, Gija ma'am. Now it's okay. Yes, child, you can write in the chat box, ma. Some disturbance is there. If you want to say anything, take the help of your parent. Parent will write in the chat box. Okay? Now, let's continue. What is subtraction? So, the subtraction means taking away. Yes, taking away a smaller number from the bigger number. Smaller number, we have to take out from the bigger number. Okay, every time subtraction means bigger number will be up and smaller number will be down. Okay, children, keep it in mind. Now, let's do one sum. Okay, marble. Here you can see 5 marbles are there. How many marbles? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marbles are there. In that 3 has taken. This is the minus sign. Yes, the symbol of minus. Like this. This is the minus sign. Already you have read. I hope so. So now you have to remove 3 marbles from there. Yes. So remove the 3 marbles. Yes. So from 5, you are going to take away 3 marbles. So 1, Let's do it. Remove the 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many left? Yes, 2 only left. 1, 1 and 2. So our answer is 2 marbles left is equal to 2. Got it? 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Got it? It's a very simple thing. Okay. Now let's do some more things. You must keep it in mind. One more thing I want to tell you, the symbol of subtraction. So children, keep it in mind, the sign of subtraction. Every time whenever it is written like this, you have to put subtraction sign. This is a subtraction sign. Okay, whenever like this sign is there, you have to subtract. That means you have to take away that numbers or whatever it is. Okay, now let's begin. Let's do some sums. Now, we are going to do subtraction of 2-digit numbers with tens and ones. Join me. Let's do it. Yes, let's start. Here we are having 2-digit number. 2-digit number means we are going to write the 2-digit number in tens and ones box. Isn't it? What are the 2-digit numbers? The first number is 49. So 4 is in tens place, 9 is in ones place, and we have to do minus symbol is here. Here the symbol is minus. So, and the number is 35. Okay, child. Now we are going to do the subtraction. Yes, you can see the boxes. Let's count it. Yes, here 9 is there. So 9, how many green color boxes? 9 green color boxes are there. Yes, this is ones place, 9 green color. This is tens. Here 9 boxes are there. Let's count it. How many boxes are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 one boxes are there, ones place. 9 boxes are there. And now in tens place, how many boxes are there? Yes, this is the first one. This 10 fully is one row. 1, isn't it? Yes, this is the ones. So this is 1 full. That means tens. This is 20. This is 30. And this is 40. Boxes are there. Orange color. Yes. 10, 20, 30 and 40. Yes. Yes. So 40 plus 9 is equal to 49 boxes are there total. Now in these boxes, we have to remove 35 boxes. Okay. Now 35 boxes means in the first row, ones column, for 9 is there. 9 single boxes are there, ones boxes. In that we have to take away 5. How many we have to take away? 5 boxes we have to take away. Let's do it. Yes, here 9 boxes are there. Yes, let's cancel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have cancelled the 5, correct? We have taken away. Now how many left? Let's count it. This all rub it. Now count how many remaining. Let's do it the remaining boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes are remaining. 4 boxes are remaining. Yes, that means 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Yes, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Answer is 4. You can write here also 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Correct. Now, the same way we'll do for the tens place. Let's do for the tens place. Yes, child. Tens place, 40 boxes are there. In that, we have to remove 30 boxes. 4 minus 3, that means 10 place is there. So let's do it. We have to cancel 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3 boxes cancel. So now let's see how many boxes left. Now see how many boxes left. Yes, we got only the 1 box is remaining. How many remaining box? So total 10 box is remaining. Tens. So tens means 1 is in 0 place, 1 is in tens place and 0 is in ones place. So 1's over. So now only 1 box is left in tens place. So we will write here 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Here also you can write with the numbers down. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 box left. So our answer is 14. We got the answer. Okay, child? That means, yes, that means 49 minus 35 is equal to 14. Answer. Yes. One more image I will show you with the answer. I hope everyone has done. Yes, let's see it. One more image. Get clear picture. Yes. 14. 49. So how you will do? 49 minus 35 is equal to 14 answer. Clear children? So answer is equal to 14. So 14 boxes are there. Here 4 boxes. Here one's 10 box. 1 box it is considered as 1 and 4 box. So 14 boxes are there. Yes, 39 minus 49 minus 35 is equal to 14. Very nice. Now, hope so you are going to do subtraction without any mistake. Now, let's do one more method. Yes. Let's do it. One more method of subtraction. Yes. We can do subtraction of 2-digit number using abacus. Yes. If you are having abacus tool, you can practice subtraction from that also. Okay. And those who are not having, they can draw abacus picture. Let's do it. I will tell you how to do. Yes. Let's use abacus. Yes. You can zoom this picture. Now, let's do the abacus. 36 minus 11. Yes, what we have to do, children? 36 is the first number. You have to subtract 36 minus, you have to take away 11 from 36. Now tell me how much is the remaining? How much balance is there remaining? So here in the tens place, 3 is there. 3, you have seen 3 beads are there, abacus beads. And here in ones place, 6 beads are there. Isn't it? You can count. Let's count it. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So total colorful beads, 6 colorful beads are there. Now what you have to do? You have to do minus. Let's do it. Yes. So you have to subtract 1. Here 1 is there. 1 is in ones place. So 3 is in tens place. 6 is in ones place. 1 is in ones tens place and another one is in ones place. Now let's take the ones place. Ones place we are having 6. Now take another one. How much we have to take away? 1. Yes, 1 we have to take away. So what we will do? We are going to cancel that 1. So how much is the remaining? So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5. So the remaining is total 5. So write down remaining. That means 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Yes. Now let's do the other. Here also from 3 you have to minus 1 in tens place. So do it. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So 1 is going to cancel. We are going to cut 1. Let's do it. So 1 is cancelled. So remaining is, how many remaining? 1 and 2. Yes, 2 is remaining. So 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. We got the answer. Yes. How much is the answer, child? 36 minus 11 is equal to 25 is the answer. Yes. So simple way you can do it, isn't it? Yes, that means 36 minus 11 is equal to 25. Wow. Hope so you are going to do subtraction without any mistake and without the help of your parents. Okay? Yes. So just I will show you for your guidelines one more image. So this is the abacus thing. 36 minus 11, 25. These all sums you have done in the first standard also. Hope so. These are in 3 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. And you have done minus of 11. So you will get the answer. Yes, now you can do. Please mute, Kana. Yes, thank you. 6 minus 1, 5. And 3 minus 1, 2. Answer 25. Yes, children. Now understood the concept of subtraction. That means you have to take away. Only the remaining part is the answer. Okay. Yes, this is the introduction of subtraction. So we are going to continue. Now I'm going to over to the Rubni ma'am. Yes, Rubni ma'am. Rubni ma'am is going to explain you about the activity.
Yes, children. So we are going to make a fortune cups. Fortune cups. So in that you are going to write some sums outside, and the answer will be inside. So the video will be sent to you. From that you can do that. Okay. 1 second. second, I will show.
Yes.
So there will be no audio for that. If I share the video, I couldn't share the audio. Okay. So for that, we need one plain paper, pencil, scale, and sketch. Shaheen, ma'am,
Two
can you-
அப்படின்னாலே 20 அப்படின்னு 21 ஒன்னுனா அதுக்கப்புறம் பண்ணுவோம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 20 வந்தாலே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 போட்டுருவோம் 1 கூட
parents kindly mute yourself.
Please mute.
Ma'am, Shaheen, ma'am, could you hear the sound?
No, ma'am. Sound is not, but we can see the picture. You can show the clippings, if
Yes,
possible. You just play the video without any sound. No problem.
So I'm
You can
going to
explain.
send video to you all. See, inside you are going to write the answer. Outside you are going to write the questions. Answer with the wrong answers also. Like choose the best answers. So you will play with the others asking the questions. Yes? It's interesting, no? It's a play-wise learn to do the subtraction. Okay, see. Any few questions you can write. No need to write the same. You please write by your own. Okay? And write the answers inside. See?
Say one more time.
I'm going to send the story. I'm going to send the video. Okay.
Yes,
So
children, you are going to receive the activity video. What activity you have to do, that video will be sent to your class group. Okay? Yes.
I'm
Yes.
going to send you. You are going to make a fortune cups. Okay. Outside, you are going to write the questions. Inside, all the instructions were in the video. Okay. I told you how to make that fortune cups. From that, you can prepare. Or cootie catcher. That other name of the fortune cups is cootie catcher. So you are going to make it by your own by looking the video. Okay, you people do.
It's not audible.
I don't want your parents' work. You have to do and
Screen is not audible, ma'am. Mommy in the party.
I stop the screen. I stop screen sharing. Okay, because there is no audio in it. While I will send the video to your class group so you can hear that. You can view.
Okay, any other questions? Yes. Any other questions regarding subtraction? Activity will be sent to you. Any other questions regarding subtraction?
Post your photos in your class groups.
Yes.
Children, any doubts? Any doubts?
Yes.
Any questions? You can ask now.
One doubt, ma'am.
Yes. dear.
Yes.
What is the thing, ma'am? You doing know that? What is the thing?
Yes, that activity will be done with the paper. Okay, and paper, nothing, very simple. Any student can do. That is like a playway method. Okay, you can do it very easily. We are going to send video. You can just go through it and do it. Okay. Now clippings are not there, so we will send the video.
I can show
Okay.
the video, but
Yes.
I am hearing that sound, so I couldn't explain much. Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma.
Since I
Yes.
my headset, I couldn't switch on my Bluetooth. Otherwise, I will switch on my speaker Bluetooth. Otherwise, I couldn't make it possible to hear the sound of your side. So I
Don't
will
worry.
send you.
Yes. Everyone will.
Ma'am, why did today do maths exam?
Yes. Yes. All of you, best of luck for the examination. Yeah. Yes, everyone has to write the examination. Any doubt, please send it in the group. If the website is not login or any problem, please immediately inform. Okay. Hmm.
And
Yes, and
you,
do everyone has to write the exam.
yes, you please do by yourself. Okay, it's just to judge how you understand from the online things. Okay, so don't expect your parents' help. Don't ask your parents. Do by yourself. You are all very honest children, right? You are all honest children, right? So you have to do by yourself. Read. Try to read the questions. Once you finish reading, once you finish the question, you please come outside. Okay? Then only others can get into the app and can do the assessment. Okay? Is there any other doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Kindly maintain your login time because
Ma'am, any doubts? Ma'am, no, any. Ma'am, why did you not share video?
Video is not connecting properly, ma. It will get disconnected. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
okay, we'll put in the group. Okay, don't worry. Yes, ma.
do. Okay?
It will get disconnected.
Your home, you can start and you can do it. Okay? Yes?
Color circle, ma'am.
Huh? I couldn't hear.
Color circle, ma'am.
You are going to do that activity. Forget about the activity. Is there any other doubts in addition regarding the assessment, regarding the subtraction? Because you are going to look the video and you are going to make
No,
it.
ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, please practice now. Today is the max assessment 1 exam. Okay, so please practice well. First lesson number 1 and 2, practice well. Okay, all the questions will come related to the lesson 1 and 2. So please practice and read the questions carefully and do the sums correctly. Okay. So do well. All the best wishes to all of you. Everyone, do well.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, thank you very much.